How to upload font to Cricut. Upload to computers. Step 1. Quit your Design Space app. Step 2. Open your downloaded font folder, double-click on the font file and click on Install Font. Step 3. Launch your Design Space app and click on Text. Step 4. Open the font menu and click on System. Step 5. Type your font name in the search bar, then select it. Upload to mobile devices. Step 1. Download your font. Step 2. Tap the download icon at the bottom of the screen, then go to Downloads. Step 3. Tap on the font zip file, then again do it to unzip the file. Step 4. Open the font folder and select the OTF file, then tap on the share icon in the bottom left. Step 5. Share it to a font app. Step 6. Select the font and tap on Install. Step 7. Let the website download a configuration file. Tap the Allow option. Step 8. Tap on Close. Step 9. Go to Phone Settings, tap on Profile Downloaded and select Install. Step 10. In the consent box, tap on Next, then tap the Install button each time asked. Step 10. Open your Cricut Design Space app and tap the Text option. Step 11. Tap on the System option, type your font name in the search bar, and select it. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.